Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. This time I compare the electronic image stabilization on the GoPro Hero 6 with the Gimbal stabilization. On the release event of the new GoPro, the CEO Nick Woodman said this is a Hero camera with Gimbal-like stabilization built in. Let us see in what extent that is true. One of the first things I noticed the electronic image stabilization don't do at all is level the horizon. You have to take care yourself or you will end up with tilted footage. On some situations the electronic stabilization does a pretty good job, being with no doubt a huge improvement when compared to the Hero 5 stabilization. Nevertheless, I think in almost all situations the Gimbal achieves better results. For example, here while running the Gimbal performed really well, the electronic stabilization on the other hand not that good. In my opinion, the premium action cameras are coming closer to deliver Gimbal-like stabilization, but they are not yet quite there. In my opinion, a Gimbal is still an accessory that makes sense to add to your equipment at this moment.